The Egyptian pyramids are among the most iconic and mysterious structures ever created. For thousands of years, they have stood as symbols of ancient engineering genius. But how were these colossal monuments built without modern tools or machinery? Construction of the pyramids began over 4,500 years ago, during Egypt's Old Kingdom. The most famous of them all, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BCE. It originally stood about 146 meters tall and was made from more than 2 million limestone and granite blocks, each weighing several tons. The process began with careful planning. Ancient architects aligned the pyramid precisely with the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west, using the stars as guides. Workers first leveled the ground and built a solid foundation. Then came the challenge of moving and lifting the massive stones. Most of the limestone blocks were quarried nearby, while the heavier granite stones used for the inner chambers came from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. These were transported along the Nile River on wooden boats during the flood season, when the water level was high enough to carry the heavy cargo. To move the stones across land, workers likely used sledges pulled by teams of men. Recent discoveries suggest they poured water on the sand in front of the sledges to reduce friction, making it easier to drag the blocks. As the pyramid rose, ramps were built, either straight, zigzagging, or spiraling around the structure, allowing workers to haul stones higher and higher. Tens of thousands of skilled laborers, not slaves as once believed, worked on the pyramids. They lived in nearby workers' villages, where archaeologists have found evidence of organized labor, food supplies, and medical care. These workers were well-fed and highly trained, showing that pyramid building was a national project of pride and devotion. Once the pyramid's core was complete, smooth white limestone casing stones were placed on the outside, giving it a brilliant, polished appearance that reflected the sun's rays. Over time, most of these outer stones eroded or were removed for other buildings. The construction of the pyramids remains one of humanity's greatest achievements, a blend of science, organization, and sheer determination. Even today, these ancient wonders continue to inspire awe, reminding the world of Egypt's enduring legacy of innovation and ambition.